I feel like I haven't done like really glam makeup in a really long time. On vacation, I literally would just wear powder, foundation, concealer, lipstick, and that's it. And today I want to really do my makeup. We're gonna do a little date night transformation since I am gonna have a little date night. I love stick products because I feel like they're so easy to use. Sorry, we're just jumping right in. But I'm gonna be using this primer by Smashbox. It is the Photo Finish Mattifying Primer Stick. I just want to make it a little more matte in the areas that I know I'm gonna get a little shiny, like in my T-zone. Oh my god, this instantly mattifies your skin. This is so amazing. Like my nose and this area right here, it's gonna get shiny anyways, so might as well tone it down just a little bit before we start our makeup. Wow, this primer is amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a little bit of this white concealer on my eyes because I really want this color to pop. We're gonna do a little lavender color. Very excited for it, but I want to make sure that it pops. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this here. Well, that was a lot actually. Putting a little setting powder over this white concealer. I feel like it helps set that concealer and that way it won't crease up later on. Okay, I do want a little bit of a natural crease color, so I'm grabbing my Jeffree Star Thirsty palette and I'm gonna pick up the shade Subtle right here. I feel like this is like one of the most perfect crease colors ever. Next, I'm gonna use this palette from MAC. It's called Art Library. Literally only going to be using this purple shade right here. This is pretty much going to be an all over the lid color. That's the look I'm going for. And we're just gonna work that color up, just like pouncing that color onto the lid and working it up until you feel like it is the right amount of shadow. I love it so much already, and we're still gonna add something on top of that that's gonna really make it pop, but wow. This is probably my favorite color of the moment. Next up, we're gonna use this baby right here. This is one of my favorite products from Smashbox. It's from the collection that they did with the Hood Witch, and it's so pretty. I've worn this alone, and now I'm gonna be placing this on top of this purple eyeshadow. So this is one of their liquid shadows. It's called Dream Prism, and it is the most beautiful liquid shadow ever. It already has this really pretty like lavender prism holographic looking effect to it, so it's just gonna make the eyeshadow look complete. I'm gonna place it with the wand at first, but then I'm gonna dab it out with my finger. I'm gonna go back into the Thirsty palette, and I'm picking up the shade Parched, which is the lightest shade in the palette. And I just wanna add that to highlight underneath my brows, clean that up. For my waterline, I'm gonna be using my Kohl eyeliner from Rimmel London, and this is just in the shade Nude. All right, now we can work on the rest of our face. I'm gonna do a little bit of color correcting. This is my first time using this color corrector. It's by Bobbi Brown in the shade Peach Bisque. Color correcting is like my favorite thing ever. It makes such a big difference. For foundation, we're gonna use Too Faced Born This Way. The shade Praline is a perfect match for me. I just opened up a fresh bottle of it. I freaking love this foundation. For concealer, I'm also using my Born This Way concealer, and I think I'm gonna go with the shade I'm gonna go with the shade Warm Beige. This is another really full coverage concealer. It's pretty amazing. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that other shade on top, because this one is a little dark. So on top of that, I'm gonna do Natural Beige, which is just a little lighter. So I'm just gonna add that on top. Oh my god, I have so much concealer on now. Okay, we gotta set this because it is a lot of makeup. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty banana powder. It's just such a good powder. And I think I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or two and actually bake. I don't always bake, but I think today we're gonna bake. My smile lines, those always crease up, very annoying. While I let this bake, I just filled in my brows off camera. Now we're ready to move on to the rest of the face. You know what, since we're going all out, let's do a little cream contour. I'm gonna use my KKW Beauty Tan Contour Stick for this. This is my favorite product to contour my nose. I feel like I just can't get it with other products, but with this one, super easy. If your nose contour comes out too dark, which I feel like it did for me right now, just take a little bit of your setting powder and place it over the nose contour. And I feel like that tones it down. This bronzer is one of my go-tos. It's by Bare Minerals and it is called Faux Tan. And ever since I picked it up, I just haven't been able to stop using it, but I really, really love it. Ooh, I cannot decide which one of these I want to use. These are new by Bare Minerals. These are their Bounce and Blur blushes, but I think they can also be used as eyeshadows. I think that's what I read on their packaging. But I think I want to use both of these. I don't know, or maybe I'll only use the bronzier one. I feel like this shade isn't really going to go with this look. Yeah, I think I'm just going to stick to this bronzier color. So this is the shade Blurred Buff. I'm going to bounce it on, just like the name of the product says. Oh, it's like a super subtle color, but it is making my look a little bronzier. I like it. Since it's not that crazy like in your face, I am gonna add this color. This one is Coral Cloud. Oh, that is so pretty. It's not too much at all. That is really, really pretty. Oh my God, I didn't know I needed Coral Cloud. This is so pretty. I like to put a little here on my nose. And then for highlight, I'm gonna go with my Anastasia Amrezy highlight. It's one of my absolute favorite highlights ever. Oh my God, look at that. That is so intense. In the best way ever. So for my lower lash line, I do want to add a little bit more of that purple shade from before. So I'm going to go back into this MAC palette and pick that color up and just add it to the lower lash line. This is my Milk Makeup brow gel, but I'm actually using it in the color Dutch. I normally do clear, but my brow pencil was a little bit on the lighter side today, so I'm just adding a little bit of color. And now for lips, I'm gonna start off with this lip liner. This is just kind of like my base. I use it all the time underneath all of my lip combos. It's by Charlotte Tilbury and it is the Iconic Nude Lip Liner. Oh my God, rewind. I almost forgot to add mascara to my lower lashes. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna do Great Lash by Maybelline. This is their waterproof formula because I don't want any smudging on my lower lashes. Back to the lips. I'm gonna do a little bit of a darker lip liner. This is by Morphe in the shade Makeup Talk. And for my lipstick, I'm using this one from MAC. It's from the new collection. It's like All About Love collection. So all of the names are really fun and lovey kind of names. This one is called Lazes Ferry Love Me Lipstick. I think that's French. I don't even know if I pronounced it right. Probably didn't. Ooh, this is a really creamy formula. I like that. You guys, our transformation is complete. I am now ready for date night. This is definitely one of my favorite looks ever. For this video, I did want to show you guys my outfit also, and I want to show you how the makeup looks in natural-ish lighting, because now I'm standing in front of a window so you guys could see how it's going to look in natural lighting. This is my outfit for date night. I just have on these jeans from Zara. I have been finding the best jeans at Zara. I have like these little chunky mules. These are from Steve Madden, and they're in this like mauve nude shade. And then this blouse I purchased from Fashion Nova. I got it a while ago, but I'll try to find it for you guys anyways. I really love the color, as you guys can tell. We're just gonna do a little dinner tonight, a little cash dinner date night. I cannot wait. We love to eat. And that is it for my transformation today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.